Does it look like a metal, yeah?
Yeah.
Why do you think it's a metal?
It's shiny.
Good boy. It's shiny, that's right. Another thing about metals is, we say metals are ductile. They're not all magnetic, only some. Metals are ductile. It means you can make wire out of them. And this metal is called magnesium. And if Mr. Morgan will help me by putting the gas tap on, my gas tap, and I'm doing this because you're about to leave me now and go back over to primary school. This is magnesium, and I'm asking you now to listen to me carefully. Do not stare at this. You can go like this. Don't stare at it, okay? Watch now. Look at it starting off. Watch. You can stare now and then stop staring when it starts to burn. Ooh, look.
Ooh, it's bright.
It's like the sun.
God, it's bright.
It's like the sun.
Isn't that bright?
Yeah, it's like the sun.
If you stare at it, you see, it will hurt your eyes a little bit. But this, I just burnt the magnesium. And this is another metal. Here, now watch the clock. Here's another metal. This metal is a powder metal, and it's iron powder.
We saw that on the video.
Why did you pour the whole thing on?
Must be joking.
That's what all of us said in
Yeah.
class.
You put it in the flame, throw it in the flame, come close with your hand, and then drop it in the
It's
flame.
not hurt, it's the fire.
Hey!
Right?
Timor.
Can I have some of that?
You did the sparklies. Come round here, then you're going to do this one again, right? Come round here.
Right around.
Can I try it?
Yeah, wait till, I got another class soon, folks, that's the problem.
I don't want to do that. It's so light.
Keep your seats, everyone, please. Keep your seats.
Seth, okay. Seth is going to try this now. Seth, I have to make sure I can grip it, because if you drop it, it causes a problem, right? Take the tongs from me now. Now, what did I say about staring? Yeah, but you were the ones doing it. So you mustn't move your hand wildly, but you've got to keep your hand still, but you've got to go like this. Look away, look back, okay? Right.
Can you help me?
Yeah, I'm helping you. Starting to burn now. Have a look. Yeah, see?
Awesome. I can see. I can see.
You can stare for 1 second, but not 10 seconds. Is that okay? Well done, Seth. Hand up, hand up. What's your name?
Look, it's stuck together.
Timor. Well done, Timor. Timor did
Stuck
the iron.
together.
And could everybody say a big thank you to Professor Barry for us,
There we are.
please?
There we are. There we are. Look, we got another piece of little bit of magnesium left here. Look, what's your name? Tintin. Right, go on in. Little piece of magnesium. We are going to kill you, magnesium. You are going to die.
Today.
Put
In
you
the flame.
Talk. Tell us the truth. There we are. And the magnesium goes in. And he's burning. Come on, burn. He's trying. Let him try. He's trying hard. He's resisting. He's resisting. It will burn now. It's just.
Oh, there it comes. There it comes.
Oh my God.
Whoa, look again. Look again.
Here it comes.
I was looking all the time.
I'm looking all the time.
Where are you?
Yeah.
I can't see you. Last thing before you leave, because I got the big children now, right? The big children. You're 13. 10 years after you. You're 13.
Do you teach year 11?
Yes. Watch this, folks. This flame, all the teachers did it. But when you light the Bunsen, the air hole must be closed because it doesn't do it easily when the air hole is open. Watch this now. If we put the gas off, Mr. Morgan, there, right, watch now, the gas goes off. And now I'll put the air hole open and Mr. Morgan will put the gas back on. We'll try to light it, right? Here comes Mr. Morgan. Look. It won't light easily.
Keep it there?
Yeah, it might light, it might, but it looks it, and now the room is filling up with gas, so it's dangerous. Remember now when you come to year 7, isn't it? Which is another 4
I won't
years.
be in year 7.
But You what?
More for sure.
Right, so when you come back, when you go to high school, in Patana or anywhere, when you use a Bunsen, the air hole should be closed. Here I go again. Last time, another experiment coming up. And it lights gently. And that flame is called, that's called a luminous flame because it's glowing. Luminous flame. And this flame, half open, half. That's called a blue flame. Not luminous, blue. And that's the one you usually use for heating. Usually, but today, what happened? You used a roaring flame. Because it roars, see. That was me roaring then. Okay? And this is a roaring flame. And you used that today because you needed a flame that was very hot. And the last thing, we can just squeeze it in before we go. Have you noticed, folks, the hole there? What's the hole for? And don't shout out the answer. What do you think the hole is for? Now then, that's a good one. Here's a clue. Listen. What's the... Shh, 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 shh. What do you think the hole is for?
The air to come in.
Oh.
Brilliant. The air comes in, and when the air goes in, the air mixes with the gas, and it burns completely. But if it burns like that, it's not burning completely, and this will happen. Let me use your beaker. See if I can use your beaker to do it. It might work. Let's have a look. Yeah, it might work. If you use a yellow flame, which you shouldn't do, yeah, yes, it's happening already. Mr. Morgan, would you mind putting the lights back on, please?
Sure.
Let me show you this, folks. What do you notice about the underside of the beaker?
Going brown. Black.
Yeah, watch now. Put the gas off. Watch now. The underside of the beaker is black, and this black begins with S.
Strong.
Smoke.
Nearly.
Same thing that's up a
Stone
chimney.
powder of the smoke.
Something in the chimney.
Coal.
A bit like that.
Silicon?
S.
Dusk.
S-O-O-T.
Soot.
Yeah, it's soot. It's black soot like you get in the chimney. And that's because the gas is not burning completely. It's only kind of half burning. And we've got this horrible black carbon. So you never use a yellow flame, but you always have the yellow flame to start, don't you?
Yeah.
Agreed?
Yeah.
Well done, everybody. Very good. Okay.
Can I have some of that?
No. Definitely not. You can't buy it. They won't sell it to you because you're a child. They won't sell it to you. You have to have a special. Yeah, you have to have a special license to buy it. Now, you've got to do me one favour, folks. You have to put the stools under the bench. Okay, go.
Thanks, Baz.
I'm a nervous breakdown, and I've only had it for 30 minutes, look. Mr. Morgan got you all turned.